Goal with this activity is to really work the legs and loosen up the hips. It's an awesome move if you're having a difficult time squatting really vertically. Here's what you're going to do. Get a med ball. You're going to get one box and then another box. One foot's going to be on the small box. You're going to grip the med ball just like so. I don't like gripping this way. I kind of want to grip underneath. Press it up against the rib cage gently. Make sure you're not crunching over it. So I'm here. I'm going to allow silent in through the nose. Nice long exhale, slow at the start. Then from here, soft knees. Inhale, you're going to sit on weight. Exhale, come up, rinse and repeat. Just like that. Make sure it's not rocking back as you go. If you really want to loosen up the backside, you're going to keep that little forward pitch. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.